Ready to skyrocket your email marketing game? Let's dive into Mailerlite and build a killer campaign from scratch in just a minute and a half. First, log into your Mailerlite account, then click on the Campaigns tab on the top menu. You'll see a list of your existing campaigns, or an empty space if this is your first time. Now, let's get started. Click on the big, inviting Create Campaign button. This will take you to the campaign setup page. Choose your campaign type for most situations. A regular campaign will do just fine. Give your campaign a descriptive name that will help you identify it later on. Next, select your recipients. You can send your campaign to your entire list, specific segments, or even create new segments based on different criteria. It's time to design your email. You can choose from a wide variety of pre-designed templates. Use the drag-and-drop editor to build your own, or even import a custom HTML template for this tutorial. Let's choose a template. Now, customize your chosen template with your own content. Replace the placeholder text with your engaging copy. Swap out images with your own visuals. And make sure everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. Before sending, carefully review your campaign settings. Double-check your subject line, sender information, and all the links to make sure everything is working correctly. Send yourself a test email to see how it looks in your inbox. Finally, choose your sending option. You can send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a later date and time for optimal engagement. Once you're happy with everything, hit that send or schedule button. Congratulations! You've just created and launched your first email campaign in Mailerlite. Now, sit back, relax, and watch those results roll, and don't forget to check your analytics to see how your campaign performed.